Very good, Adan. Farheen. Farheen not yet joined, dear. Okay, let's wait for Farheen. Santosh. Santosh, say here I am, ma'am. Santosh, look at me. Say here I am.
Yes.
Okay, for you this is the first day, no?
Yes.
Yes. So here I say here I am. Farheen, you join. Okay, fine, Santosh. Farheen.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning, Farheen. Say here I am.
Here I am. Here I am.
Okay, Santosh, put your mic mute. Well, good, good. Farheen, say here I am.
Say here I am, ma'am. Say here I am, ma'am.
What are you doing, Farheen?
Start.
What is there? What is there up in the scene? Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. Jason? Jason, say here I am. Jason? Jason, I'm not audible? Okay, fine. Kesha?
Say here I am, ma'am. Say here I am, ma'am.
Kesha, say.
Here I am, bolo bata.
Kesha? Bolo, bolo. Here I am.
Anna, bolo.
Very serious in work? Very serious in coloring? Are you coloring Durga Ma?
Yes.
Yes, okay, okay. Okay, fine. Jason, mummy?
Yes, ma'am. Mic was not working. I rejoined this.
Okay, okay. Now it's okay, right? Jason, say here
Yes.
I am.
Here I am, sir. Sattama. Why? Today to already started today.
Sorry, okay, okay. Litiksha?
Here I am,
Litiksha,
ma'am.
say.
Please, here I am, ma'am.
Say, dear.
சொல்லுங்க
Ayyo, why are you crying? Litiksha, why are you crying, Kana?
சொல்லுங்க ப்ளீஸ்
Don't cry.
here I am, ma'am.
Say, here I am, ma'am. Good girl. See, your eyes are filled with tears.
சொல்லு இப்ப சொல்லு
Seeing so sad.
எப்படி இருக்கு
Okay, okay, okay. Madhu? Why she is crying?
சொல்லு
Oh. Ayyo. Say, don't cry, baby. Don't cry. Okay? Fine. Madhuvanti?
சொல்லு ஏன்
Madhu also crying? Madhu, say here I am, ma'am. Very good, Cello. You too crying, Madhu? Shivanya? No, very good. Very good. Very good, Madhu. Very good, Shivanya. Sai Mira? Very good, Sai Mira. Varsha? Varsha? Cute, Varsha. Very nice, very nice. Children, I'll introduce your new friend, Santosh. Yes? All clap and welcome Santosh once again. All clap your hands and welcome Santosh. Yes. Clap and welcome Santosh. Say welcome Santosh. All say welcome Santosh. Very good, very good, very good. Fine, fine. Okay, shall we go for prayer, children? Stand up all. All stand up for prayer. Okay? Join your hands. Close your eyes. Stand straight. Fine.
Stand straight.
Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath the flight. You define me, my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Good morning. Good morning all once again. Shall we go for aerobic, children? Yes? Ready? Yes, ready children? All ready, 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 come on. Very good, children. Yes. Fine. All get some water and drink.
Yeah, Santosh has been joined again.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, small problem with the laptop, so just joined again.
Oh, no problem.
Okay.
Santosh Mamim, today we are going to conduct the maths assessment. Are you ready to join, right?
When?
Now itself.
Oh, okay.
Maths assessment. Today I'm going to conduct. You just click in the chat box. Link will be there. Click the link and get the question paper. Okay? In the chat box. Link is in the chat box. Yes, children. Are you ready? Are you ready for maths assessment, children? Yes?
Ready.
Say yes, ma'am. Say yes, ma'am. Adam, come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. All open your chat box. See, check your chat box. Link will be there. Please open the question paper like yesterday. Yes, ready? Shall we start now?
So, Papu, what number comes after 5?
Santosh Mummy, I'll dictate. Okay? I'll dictate. Put your mic mute, please. Children, you got it? Fill the column name of the student, please. It's a maths exam. It's 15 questions are there. Each question will get 1 mark. Okay? Have to complete all the question. All the questions are compulsory. Okay? Have to attend. Yeah, please click, type your name in the name column. Yes, I hope you may be finished, right? Okay. Shall we start the exam? Children say yes, ma'am. Okay, shall I dictate the first question? Children, can I proceed? Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes. Yes. Shall I proceed? Okay, fine. Okay, dear. Okay, first. Question number 1. What number comes after 5? Children, leave your finger and count. What number comes after 5? There are 3 options are given. Option A is 3, B is 6, C is 1. Just count your fingers and say what number will come after 5. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. Okay. 5 after, what number will come, that you click. 3 numbers are given. 3, 6, 1. Parents, please get the answer from the child's mouth. And then do. What number comes after 5? The options are 3, 6, 1. Okay? Shall we go next? Yeah. Question number 2. Question number 2. What number comes after 3? The same way, leave your finger and count. What number comes after 3? The options are A, 4, B, 5, C, 6. What number comes after 3? What number comes after 3? Just leave your finger one by one. You will get the count of after 3. The options are 4, 5, 6. Which number comes after 3? Shall we go third question? Question number 3. Count and choose how many fruits are given. Count and choose how many fruits are given. Children, touch the fruit and count how many fruits are there. The options are A, 4, B, 2, See, 3. 3 options are there. 4, 2, 3. Count the apples and tick the correct option. Count the apple and tick the correct option. Option A 4, B 2, C 3. Count and tick how many apples are there. Okay. Question number 4. Count and choose how many balls are given. Count and choose how many balls are given. Have to count all the balls, given balls. Okay. There are 3 options. Option A 1, option 2 6, option 3 3. 1 6 3. Count and tick how many balls are there. Slowly keep your finger on the object and count. One green ball, one orange ball and one yellow ball. Count and say how many balls are there. Finished? Shall we move 5th question, right? Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5. Count and choose how many trees are given. How many trees are there? There are 3 options. Count the trees. 2, 1, 4. Option A 2, option B 1, option C 4. Count how many trees are there and click the right answer. Option A 2, option B 1, option C 4. Count and then tick. Question number 5. Count and choose how many trees are given. Okay, I'll move on. 6th question. Question number 6. Count and choose how many butterflies are given. Count and choose how many butterflies are given. Count, children. Some butterflies are given. You count. Count and clarify how many butterflies are there. Keep your finger on the picture and then count. Okay. There are 3 options. Option A 2, option B 4, option C 6. Don't leave not even a single question. You have to attend all the questions. Count and choose how many butterflies are given. There are 3 options. Option A 2, option B 4, option C 6. Click the right answer. Count and then click. Fine. I'm moving to 7th question. Question number 7. What comes next? The series of number has given. What comes? You have to fill the next number. Okay? The numbers are 3, 4. What will come the next one? There are 3 options. Option A 6, option B 5, option C 4. Complete the sequence. 3, 4 and then what will come? Question number 7. What comes next of 3, 4 and right click the next number. Options are 6, 5, 4. Shall we move on 8th question? Yes. Okay. Question number 8. Question number 8. Count and choose how many fishes are there. Count and choose how many fishes are given. Some pictures are in the box. Have to count all the fishes. There are 3 options. Option A 5, option B 1, option C 3. 5, 1, 3. Count the fishes and then click the answer. Count the fishes and then click the answers. Count and choose how many fishes are there. This MCQ. Choose the correct answer. 5, 1, 3 are the options. Okay? Fine. I'll move on. 9th question. What is the shape of a ball? What is the shape of a ball? Click the shape of the ball. Options are square, rectangle, circle. 3 options are there. Click the correct picture. Click the correct picture. Square, rectangle, circle. Option 1 square, option 2 rectangle, option 3 circle. What is the shape of a ball? What is the shape of a ball? Question number 9. What is the shape of a ball? The shape of the ball is square, rectangle, circle. In these 3, tick the correct option of the ball. Next, question number 10. Question number 10. What is the shape of a dice? Dice. There are 3 options. Option 1 is triangle. Option 2 is square. Option 3 is rectangle. Click the right option. Shape of the dice is that a triangle or square or rectangle? Have to click right option. Shape of the dice. Shape of the dice is dice. The options are triangle, square and rectangle. Now I'll move on. Question number 11. Question number 11. Count and choose how many stars are given. Keep your finger on the stars and then count 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay? How many stars are given? There are 3 options. Option A is 6. Option B is 3. Option C is 2. Count and click the right answer. How many stars are given? Slowly count. Count and click the right answers. How many stars are given? The options are 6, 3, 2. 6, 3, 2. Shall we move on? Question number 12. Yeah. Question number 12. What number comes after 1? 1 after what will come? What numbers comes after 1? The option A is 3, option B is 4, option C is 2. What number comes after 1? Is that 3 or 4 or 2? 1 after what will come? 1 after what will come? Count the numbers orally and then click the answer. What comes after 1? Question number 13. Question number 13. What number comes after 2? What number comes after 2? The options are option A 1, option B 3, option C 4. 1, 3, 4. In these three, out of these three, what number will come after 2? What number comes after 2? After 2, what number will come? Okay. I hope you may be finished. Question number 14. Question number 14. What is the shape of the given picture? One wall is given, right? It's a wall. Wall. Okay. Made up of bricks. The shape of the wall is what? That you have to find. There are three options. Option 1 is rectangle. Option 2 is triangle. Option 3 is circle. What is the shape of this wall? See the picture and compare with the option and then select the correct option. What is the shape of the given picture? The picture is wall. Brick wall is there. The same figure you have to find out. Same type of shape. Question number 14. What is the shape of the given picture? And the last one, question number 15. What is the shape of a pizza slice? What is the shape of a pizza slice? Pizza. You like to eat pizza, no children? It's a junk food actually, right? I told you are not supposed to eat junk food. But you know what is the shape of the pizza slice? Yes? Okay. There are three options. Option 1 is triangle. Option 2 is square. Option 3 is circle. What is the shape of a pizza slice? Pizza slice. Not full pizza, it's a slice. One slice. Okay? Size of the pizza. Shape of the pizza slice. Okay, finish means give submit. Finished means give submit. That's all. I hope you might be all finished, right?
Yes.
Yes, did you finish attend all the questions? Very good, very good.
I finished, ma'am.
You finished, very good, Saimira. Very good, Shivanya, good job. Farhin, good, finished means happy. You too happy now, children? Jason finished? Yeah, very good. Jason finished?
அங்க பார்த்து சொல்லு.
Good boy, smarty. Good.
I think they are comfortable with numbers than alphabet, I think, ma'am.
Oh, are they comfortable? Okay, okay.
Yeah, ma'am. She's more familiar
Oh,
with numbers.
oh, all of felt like that. Okay, okay. Good, good. But numbers are more and more, no? It's infinite. Alphabets only limited, no, children. Why do you feel tough?
The thing is, sound is different, letter is different.
Yes,
They
yes, of
have
course,
to
of course.
code
Many
everything. That's
words
very
are there.
difficult.
No,
Phonics.
many words.
Sorry, one by one, please. Say, Saim Ramami, what do you want to say?
No, the sound is different. The letter is
Yeah.
different. So they have to learn first A, then Y.
Ah, right.
So when
Yeah. Phonic is
yeah,
there, sound is there. Yeah, of course.
when we ask them to read the letter with what is the starting letter? A.
Ah,
No,
ah.
A.
Yeah, yes, of course. The sound is little bit different and the letter is different.
Yeah.
Yes.
They have
Okay,
to
okay.
coordinate everything. Bit tricky
Yeah.
only words actually.
By practice only it will come.
Okay.
Otherwise,
It's
simply
too
we are
early, I
teaching
think.
alphabet alone means they'll get easily. Usually, comparatively, numbers and alphabet mean alphabet is easy thing.
Yeah.
Because they can see many pictures, they can
Yeah,
correlate
right.
with the
Yeah.
name of the picture, everything. But side by side, we are teaching the phonic also. They feel little tougher. But next year it will be very easy for them.
Yeah, of
Uh-uh.
course.
Yeah. Farheen, mummy, you want to say something?
That same thing only,
Same
ma'am.
thing.
That
Yeah.
for her also alphabets are tough. That's different
Come.
sound, na different pattern.
Yeah. Okay, I can understand. So I hope all are finished, right? Okay, fine. Thank you, children. Thank you very much, parents, for your kind cooperation. Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
tomorrow exam
Tomorrow
concepts.
it's concepts, right?
You gave us some
So
syllabus.